Well guys, today is a day I've been waiting for a long time. I'm headed up to Kansas to go to Dave Wyckoff's fly-in.
Oh shit. Oh, he did it. Yeah, the elevator back all the way.
Right there, oh, get it, get it.
Oh, God.
Can't stop us now.
Log of traffic, November 318 Juliet, Juliet departing 15 grass, log of. Log of traffic 318 Juliet, Juliet departing to the north, last call, log of. We are climbing, and we're 107 miles away. I have had a 50 to 60 mile an hour tailwind this entire way. So, barring any rain, storms, or that tailwind disappearing, we should be there in probably 40 minutes.
All my friends are moving out west.
And sometimes you have to go through the Charlie. There's some storms out to the northeast. Not storms, it's really just rain, but light to moderate precipitation. So I'm going right through this clear valley here, or this clear area here. Man, it is a warm and humid day. The outside air temperature is 83 degrees. Now, I'm only at 3,000 feet, but still, I thought it'd cool off a little bit. Just a warm, muggy day. And I am excited to get to the fly-in, the 7-Up Ranch in Dave Wyckoff's fly-in. We've been talking about this for months, and I'm really happy I'm able to make it.
I got here about the same time, and then JD just flew in his Kitfox. Man, look at this sweet strip. Nice grass strip. The winds were sporty. Pretty sporty out here. A little cell just passed by. Now it's kind of broken up, but man, that windsock is going all over the place.
Someone's got to break his heart, and we know who you are. Who you are. You know who you are.
My good buddy Dave came in town all the way from Austin, Texas.
That's right.
I got to give him the tour of 7-Up Ranch. No, no. Tim eating it on the dirt bike.
I heard it.
Yeah, I wiped out good.
Did you?
Let's go grab ice.
Flashback.
It is my football number though. Let's start. Clutch. Nope. Miss clutch.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude.
How do I go in here?
Do some bunny hop.
You did it. Yeah, the elevator back all the way. Did I wreck you?
You're good. I'm pretty for sure that's probably not the first time that thing's done that. Holy crap, dude, where's the rear brake?
Just a little dirt on it.
It's up under the cow. That's the rear brake. Yeah.
End of Flashback.
Sorry,
man.
Dave Rowe.
Yeah.
Good to meet you.
This is a W power unit, which John Deere made to run like oil wells and pump jacks and things like that. So, this got 2 tractors are cut up to make this,
But he did this to
just to prove he could.
just okay. I didn't know if he needed more horsepower.
It was probably a bet. Probably they were drinking beer or something.
Yeah.
Some guy said, "You can't do that." And he said, "Yeah, I will."
Might want to get him across the road.
Oh god.
Oh, he's just
He's going. He got it! He took that rim off! Oh, he got it in his mouth! He's going! Oh, he got it! He got it in his mouth! Oh, you gotta get that. You can't keep that though. Get a stick. You gotta stick. Now you. Oh, he dropped it.
Man, this is a good time out here. Just playing around. Wish the wind was a little bit less. But man, we're having a good time. Bunch of people out here. I mean, this has got to be 15, 20 planes, which is impressive for this wind that we got here. Doing a little sunset flying out here at the 7-Up Ranch. Man, it's awesome. Awesome being up here. Dave, appreciate you inviting me out. This is amazing.
Sitting on the corner with the coroner from out in the hills.
What a beautiful evening for a sunset cruise. Everyone's heading back this direction. And we're gonna light a bonfire over here and then cruise on back.
There's an armadillo! Get him, Rice Man!
We're 3 for 3, baby! Yeah! Woo!
Good morning, guys. All good things must come to an end. Packing up everything here at 7-Up Ranch. I'm gonna blast off over up to Springfield and actually stay with Josh at Sawyer Creek and keep the Freedom Fox there. Then I'm gonna head to Orlando for a conference. But let's get all packed up.
7-Up Ranch, Red White Ranch, departing 25 via right turnout to the north. It was good, it was fun, it was good fun. We'll smell you later.
But it's time to change my scene. I gotta turn the page before I lose my mind. Yeah, it's time.
Oh yeah, laying some smoke.